Filipinos in Japan remain safe after the magnitude 7.6 earthquake hit the coastal prefecture of Ishikawa, according to the Philippine Embassy in Tokyo, Japan. Philippine Ambassador to Tokyo Mylene Garcia Albano confirmed that they have not received any reports of any Filipinos being hurt in the earthquake. Albano said many people have returned home from the evacuation centers, including Filipinos.
Meron tayong mga nakausap na Filipinos kahapon, pero sabi na is nakauwi na rin po sila. Sabi nila 154 po daw sila nasa isang evacuation center, pero nakauwi na nga daw po sila.
Albano added that so far, no Filipinos have expressed that they need help from the Philippine government. She said the Japanese government is also active in providing assistance to all those affected by the earthquake.
As of now, very active po yung assistance ng mga Japanese government sa mga tao po doon sa area na nangyari yung earthquake. Marami po silang evacuation centers na nabuksan na po nila to shelter yung mga tao man na kung merong mga problema as of now.
On Wednesday morning, Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida once again led the meeting of the Committee on the Emergency Response.
Ipinahayag niya is he is in close contact with the local government officials para po to continue to inquire from them kung ano nga po yung kailangan nila ng mga tulong para daw mapapot din doon.
The Japanese government will deploy another 1,000 rescue personnel to the areas affected by the earthquake to speed up recovery and rescue operations. Right now, Albano said that aftershocks continue to be experienced in Ishikawa Prefecture. She said the Meteorological Agency of Japan has warned of impending heavy rain.
Meron po ring bagong warning daw kasi baka daw po magkaroon ng malakas na ulan in the prefecture of Ishikawa, and sabi nila is mag-ingat against landslides naman daw po.
Meanwhile, Albano also confirmed that there were no Filipinos on board Japanese Airlines plane that caught fire at Haneda Airport.
We are just happy to report na wala pong Philippine passport holders na kasama po doon sa flight na yun. Everyone was naman po successfully rescued from the plane. It's just that meron nagkaroon na 14 people who were injured. But again, we were able to confirm with Japan Airlines na wala daw pong Filipino passport holders on board.
For God and by beloved Philippines, I am Jayson Rubrico, SM9 News.